Hola amigos, amiguitos, friends. Bueno, me llegó mi unidad Tool Daily. Vi otras marcas, la verdad, estaba por comprar, pero muy costoso, la verdad, muy costoso. Así que ahorita estamos en tiempos de crisis y pues bueno, dejo este revisado. No es un revisado completo, pero mis opiniones serán basadas en lo que yo percibo y veo de la unidad. Si me da un chancecito, espero subir un video en Amazon mismo, donde dejo ya en uso, porque todavía no tengo la máquina para probarla. Tengo una amistad. I have a friend that have one, so I'm gonna try and to see there's not have any issue. But my impression is about how I feeling about the unit. That's my first one. I never have one of these things. And so the bottle, they have decent size. They have some marks, and you can see barely the amount that you can put there. In the top say max is 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. Okay. And oh, I note there's a plastic here. I see video they have a metal here. I'm not sure. This is my, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But now this have metal here. I don't know. There's another ones came with different thing here, and more durability. So that's the reason this is metal here. I see. So that I see. I can select about that, but I hope nothing happened here. But this is what it is. It's a metal. You can see. You can use the side the foam come out, and that's the pressure for the water. Here we go. A little bit everything, and well, that's the tool. And the hands must look like this. There's a rubber here. This is plastic, hard plastic. They have the thing, you can maybe hold it and nothing happened because I think it's a lock, safe lock maybe. I see some details here. That's nice. When you see something like this, that details, the product is gonna be, it's good. And I feeling that's the moving here, the bolita and the things, but it's feeling feeling good. Honestly, 1 to 5, I give you 5 for for my first, and the price doesn't not look cheapy for me. It's light, not too much, but it's light. Nice rubber here, pad. Yep. Good job for the unit. Honestly, I need to try. That's not a complete review, but that's my feeling. I know when something is not good made. I see videos before to select one of these devices, but I'm not sure. But I think they can explain. They say it's metal here, but I'm not sure. Some bottle came in metal in this part. I'm not sure, but if not, this in this part, so this one is gonna be is okay. And I see when the guy explained, it's looking metal in the bottle, but I think it's metal here too, but it's not. So well, but it's not. I say it's good. I like the size. Sometimes you don't need this enough. That's another thing. If you have a truck or big cars or to clean or something, that's the size that you need. But if you have maybe just one car, I think it's enough if you the bottle is less than that. Okay, you don't need to move because you don't refill too much, just in case not make it too heavy for you when you make it the job. But yep, they came with these ones. That's the black one, red, orange, and the white. And this adapter is for, you have different size in the hose. You need to put it there and you adapt. That's the only cam. This is things to put it here to the bottom. I'm going to show you some instructions here. They came with a foam, say foam marker. Oh no, okay. Oh yes, came or not? I don't know. Let me see. It's inside. It's inside. No. I don't know. They say manual. Okay. This one is came here. Let me show you this here. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, the foam is inside, so. And they have the official. This piece is inside too. Here we go. But I don't know. I can check. Let me see. 1 second. Oops. Okay, let me do it. Okay. No. Sorry with that. When you twist this, this open or close. So it's, let me see if they explain to you here or not. No. Oh yeah. Where is it? They explain to you when you change it, how you can change. This part. If you want more foam, you can use the 1.1. I don't know where this one came. This one is probably is 1.5 maybe, or 1.3 or something like that. I don't see what number is that one. 14, 38. No, not specify which kind, but normally that one's is 1.53, something like that. But you want a little more foam, the orifice is gonna be less. Or the other thing I can see is you can select less water and try with the same one that came. Try less water and you can see is enough foam for you. And you can see here is a, let me see, you can open or close like this. Now it's open it, and that's it. They have a little top, but if you go more, didn't make a noise. But see, but it doesn't mean it's not work like that. It's only left or right. That you need to do. Don't go more than that because you're gonna break this thing. The mechanism is, you can make it broken. Okay, it's a left or right, left or right. Okay, that's a little tip I give it to you free. And then I specify here that I mentioned to you now, but that's I notice. All right, so I like it. I want to try and say, but I like it. It's a cheapy version for me, but this look like not cheapy, like in the middle. I don't know the other ones. I don't have that ones in my hand, but this look enough for me, and yeah, I'm happy to this.
That's the old one. At least now it's not leaking in the off position, but it's fluctuating. Turn them. See what happens now. That's with it barely running. Now it won't shut off. And this is just water pressure. So I'd say there's something wrong with the valve. And this is a 2300 PSI pressure washer, and it's pretty much in the middle of the pack at 2.9 gallons per minute on the running stuff. So anyways, I don't know what to say, but I think the thing is defective.
We got the Tool Daily pressure washing foam gun cannon. Show you guys a little bit about how it works. You unscrew this, fill it up with your favorite soaps. And you got a hard, you can turn it into a complete spray. Get the whole bike one time, everything's good to go. And then once you're ready to pressure wash it off, you got your quick release. And we use the 25 just because it's right here.
So, on sale, but feels too cheap plastic, almost like you're gonna break it. And then, yeah, nah. Here is a appropriate size if you need to see what it is. Pictures might not do it justice. But yeah, it's not really the strongest plastic. It comes with these, but every pressure washer comes with those. So, and you got a straw too.
Yeah, here's my Stanley 2150, and here you go. It works. I tried to buy the snubby, but it didn't want to work for me, so just wanted to make a quick video, show you that it connects and everything's good to go so far. All right.
Now that I'm fully rinsed, look at that. That's crazy. Now that's a fucking foam gun. All right.
This thing is garbage.